So it's been a while. I have done a video showing you the best locations in Dubai, and now I'm back. And I thought it will be quite a change to show you one of the busiest roads of Dubai, which is Sheikh Zayed Road. और ये change इसीलिए भी है because the kind of video that I'm doing today is about a film which is very different from what this filmmaker has been always doing. This is Sanjay Leela Bhansali's new teaser that has just dropped in, जिसका नाम है Gangubai Kathiawadi. It stars Alia Bhatt, and this film is as different as it gets. Because Sanjay Leela Bhansali has been making films like right from say Khamoshi to Black to Ram Leela, Padmavat, grand scale films, films which have very different subjects and real characters. Of course all that is there here, but recently जो Sanjay Leela Bhansali बना रहे हैं उससे बहुत अलग ये फिल्म है. It's about this character called Gangubai Kathiawadi. We don't know much about her. So there is a lot of intrigue associated with her, and it's a real character as always. Sanjay Leela Bhansali has got someone whose story needs to be told. Firstly, of course, it's a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film. So the stamp of Sanjay Leela Bhansali's grandness is all over this film. इसके साथ ही इस फिल्म की जो कलर पैलेट है वो बहुत ही डिफरेंट है. संजय लीला बंसाली यूजुअली मेक्स वेरी कलरफुल फिल्म्स, लेकिन इसमें उन्होंने वाइट और ग्रेस का बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है, एंड दैट रियली स्टैंड्स आउट राइट फ्रॉम द फिल्म्स पोस्टर टू फिल्म सीन्स टू द वे द फिल्म हैज़ बीन शॉट एंड the entire set that has been created of Kamatipura of the 1970s. It's so different, dramatic, and maybe very different from what the real Kamatipura is, because मैं जहाँ पे रहता था मुंबई में, साउथ मुंबई में, उसके बहुत करीब ये जगह है, and I've seen it many times. I have passed through that place many times. It's nothing like this. लेकिन जब इसको आप बिग स्क्रीन पर देखते हो, वो भी संजय लीला बंसाली के डायरेक्शन में, तो it gives you that kind of intrigue value that you want to watch more and you want to know what happened over there. इसके साथ ही आलिया भट्ट. Now जब से आलिया भट्ट आई है, she has only grown from one character to another. Student of the year में she was very raw, but from then on the kind of role she chose, the kind of film she chose, and the kind of scripts and directors she chose, फिर चाहे वो कपूर एंड सन्स हो, हाईवे हो, डियर जिंदगी हो, या फिर उड़ता पंजाब हो, the kind of film she has done and the roles that she has done have always been very different, and she has really shown some promise and spark in all these roles, and of course she's also won a lot of awards ever since she's come in. और इस फिल्म में of course she's challenged herself once again. टीज़र में तो लग रहा है that Alia Bhatt seems to have done a really good job. Well, will it be as consistent as it is in the teaser? ये तो आने वाला वक्त ही बताएगा. But for now, it really gives the glimpse of one powerful performance. इसके साथ ही इस फिल्म के जो dialogues है, they are very hard hitting, and that's another thing to watch out for. And finally, last but not the least, the best thing that I like about this teaser is the fact that इसमें ज़्यादा story नहीं दिखाई गई है. Most of the teasers or the trailers actually give away the story. इस teaser में it gives you only enough to build the intrigue factor. इसके आगे whatever happens, we have to see it on the big screen, and I hope this film doesn't take the OTT route and comes on the big screen, because I'm really eagerly waiting for it. अगर आपने ये teaser देखा है तो आपके क्या thoughts हैं, please मुझे बताइए. Along with Alia Bhatt, this film also stars Ajay Devgan in a very important role, and there is Huma Qureshi as well in a cameo. But that's all the information I have. बहुत ज़्यादा information है नहीं इस film के बारे में. Of course, we knew that it's coming. It's coming sometime this year, in the next couple of months itself. Release date अभी तक final नहीं हुई है. अभी के लिए, if you've seen the teaser, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you like my videos, subscribe, hit on the bell icon, and as always, thank you so much for watching.